Wives are multitasked. Left and right brain research has revealed powerful findings. But with this incredible strength come exciting challenges for husbands.
Ladies, because I'm saying this, doesn't mean you can just dump all of this stuff on him. It's what I call spider webbing. You just get so excited, so many things are happening, and you just come at him like you with your girlfriends who can collect all this information. So you start with this point, and then that point reminds you of this point, so you don't finish that point. And then you go to this point, and this point reminds you of this point, and you don't finish this point. And this point reminds you of this point. Now, if you give him 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, you'll always come back to each of those points and tie a knot around them, okay? And you women can just go with this. But let's suppose you come home, your husband comes home, he says, you know what happened at school today? They had this huge rainstorm. All the kids were outside because there was a fire drill, and Johnny got sick, and I had to take him to the doctor. So Johnny's really sick? Is that what? No. You know Mary, that nurse? Mary is the sister of that man, that boy that took me to the prom in high school. He had a 57 Chevy that it was just unbelievable. In fact, she told me that he's now in Peoria, Illinois. He's in construction. He built a huge mall there. In fact, when we go through there this summer, I want to stop at that mall. In fact, did you stop and get the laundry? I asked you to stop and pick up because we need some clothes because the babysitter is going to come around 7:30 tonight. In fact, they're so sweet. They just moved here from Arizona, and I just found out about that. I'm so excited, but we have to leave here around... Please, honey. Please. What's the point?
God made us, male and female. Your wife has unique strengths, and so does your husband. Come find out what they are at a Love and Respect Marriage Conference.